In eukaryotes, there is a set of positively charged basic proteins called histones. These histones are rich in positively charged amino acids like lysine and arginine. These histones form a histone octamer. The negatively charged DNA is wrapped around histone octamer to give nucleosome. The nucleosome constitute the repeating unit to form a chromatin. This chromatin appears like a thread with a stained body which appears like a beads on string. So now the chromatin is packaged to form chromatin fibers which condenses at the metaphase stage in cell division to form a chromosome. Hence both the option D is very correct, representing nucleosome, chromatin, the chromosomes.